Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw funds from Charles Schwab. We'll cover the most common and efficient ways to access your money, ensuring you understand each step. Whether you need to transfer funds to an external bank account or explore other options, this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. We'll focus on making your withdrawals simple and secure, giving you peace of mind with your financial transactions. The most common and convenient way to withdraw funds is through an electronic funds transfer, also known as an ACH transfer. You'll first link your external bank account to your Schwab account online. Once linked, you can easily initiate transfers, sending money directly to your checking or savings account. These transfers are usually free and typically complete within 1 to 2 business days, making them a reliable option for regular withdrawals. For situations requiring faster access to funds or for larger sums, a wire transfer is an excellent option. Unlike ACH, wire transfers can often be completed on the same day if submitted before the cutoff time, typically 4 p.m. Eastern Time. While there is usually a fee, around $25 for domestic wires, it ensures quick delivery. You'll need the recipient's bank name, routing number, and account number to initiate the transfer, ensuring the funds reach their destination quickly and securely. Beyond electronic transfers, Charles Schwab offers a few other ways to access your money. You can request a physical check to be mailed directly to your address, which is useful if you prefer a paper trail. If you have a Schwab bank account, your Visa debit card allows you to withdraw up to $1,000 cash from ATMs daily, with worldwide ATM fee reimbursements. Additionally, transferring funds between your own Schwab accounts is always a seamless and immediate process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.